In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to add text in DaVinci Resolve 20. So it's very easy. For that we need to open effects panel, then go to the title section, and under it you'll see two types of titles. If you want to add a basic title, like where you can do basic customizations, then you can drag and drop this basic text effect and then you can select that. Now go to inspector and type the title you want to type here. So let's say I want to type here my channel name, which is LearnLite. Then you can choose your font family and let's say I want to go with this one. You can increase the size as well. Now I want to change its color to yellow. I can just select that from here. So basic things can be done for this title. But if you want to have an advanced title, then for that go to effects again. Under title we need to drag and drop text plus effect this time. And what it will do is, if you go to inspector while selecting this title, you can type the title you want to type here, and basic customizations can be done here too. But you can adjust advanced settings such as line spacing, v-anchor, and if you want to adjust its layout, then you can do that from here. If I go to transform, then I can choose the transformation of my characters, words, lines. So basically advanced customizations can be done for this text plus effect, which can't be done for this basic title. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.